Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a little different. I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup. No, I am not a makeup artist. So I'm just going to be showing you how I do mine. And I will also see if you like my shirt. Today I'm just wearing the Beggars Club shirt from Fashion Nova. If you like it, go check that out and get you one if you want to. But I have already did my eyebrows off camera because sometimes it takes me a long time to get them how I want them. So let's just get right into it. Okay, first I'm going to start by priming. The primer that I use is LA Girl Pro Prep. Or should I do eyes first? Okay, I think I'm going to put eyes first. And I have this is the primer that I use, Ion Eye. And it's 8 Hour Wear eyeshadow primer. So we're going to start with that first. And if I'm looking over here, I'm looking at the camera. So we're just going to put that here. And then I just like to pat it. So my two favorite eyeshadow palettes to use, this one is Knick Knack New York Cosmetics, and it's 32 colors, and it has all the colors like this. And my other one is LA Girl Nudes, and it comes out like this. So I don't know if I want to go for a color pop or just a natural color. So I think I'm going to go with the color pop because it has all the different colors in it. And I like to use a brush like this just for my eyeshadow brush. So I'm just going to go in, I guess I'll go in with this right here, this blue color. And I'm just going to rub that all over. And the thing I love about this palette, it shows right up. The color is amazing, it just shows right up. So I'm just going to rub that back and forth. It just shows right up. Because I love like neon colors, I do natural too, but I love colors. So let's see how that blue came out. So then I'm probably just going to go with this yellow. Can I do this like on the lid? So yeah, it's kind of like a bluish yellow color. And maybe I'll just add, I'm running out of this orange because I really been using it. Maybe add a little bit as well. I really have been using this because I really love this color. Just kind of turn out like that. I'm going to put that in. And I was really skeptical about doing my eyeliner on camera because sometimes I just really mess up on it. But it's the Ruby Kiss liquid eyeliner. I usually don't use this one, but I ran out of my other one, so I just grabbed this one. So I'm going to attempt to try to do it on camera, but it don't come out perfect. So I just like to kind of do this. And then just bring it like that. And then I just like to bring it down here. Because sometimes it might come out too thick. But then when I go to the other eye, sometimes it don't come out even. So I just like to redo it, but we're just going to see how this works out. It was not dark, so we're just going to... It came out perfect. It came out better than what it usually does. So we're just going to go with it. Okay, now for the face. Back to my LA Girl Pro Prep. Here. And I'm sorry for this bad lighting because the sun isn't even out yet. I was like, you know, let me go ahead and record. But I do have a ring light, so maybe that'll help a little more. And I'll just go all over. And the foundation I use, Maybelline Fit Me in 370. And that is Deep Bronze. So I do that and I pour it on my hand. I don't know if you guys see, but I just pour it on here. Make sure I don't get a lot. There might be a little too much. Yeah, it comes out really quick, so. I do that. I take this old like beauty blender and just pat it around. It's a lot, so I'm just use a little bit of it because it came out really, really quick. Which is what I expect because it always comes out really, really fast. I think that would be enough of that. I'm just going to wipe this off here. So So the brush I use for my foundation is like this brush, but I might change it, but it does good. So it does good for me, so I'm gonna try to blend this well. And I like to bring it down, just to make sure it's not looking crazy up here, bring it up to my hairline. I use LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the shade Espresso. So I do here. I try not to do too much, but I don't need a lot. Down the nose, up here, down here, here. And sometimes I get small lines, so I do them here. And I take this beauty blender. Now, I usually make sure it's damp. So I will be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. The phone did die. So back to me blending this out with my beauty blender. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this concealer out. Just like a pet here, just blend it all out. It is better when it's damp, so. You really want to make sure you blend it all out, so it does take a long time. I just like to go back over just to make sure. So now that I blended all the concealer out, it's time for me to contour. And I use this palette from Profusion Cosmetics, and I use the brown. So I'm just going to take that, glue it here. And I tried to make it too harsh, because I know how this concealer is. I just like to do this. And I take my beauty blender and go down it. Just so it isn't so harsh. I take this Ruby Kisses press powder. This Ruby Kisses powder brush. So now it's time for my highlight. And I have two different kinds. I have one from Absolute New York Cosmetics in dark. And I have one from Ruby Kisses, which is all over glow. So today I think I'm going to go with the all over glow. And I like to use this Ruby Kisses feather brush. And just go here. It's never enough highlight. If you really want to pop. Go here. But sometimes I like to do it with my finger. And do like that. I just kind of like that. And I go here. So then I come in with this type of brush for my eyebrows. So I like those. So now for lips, I have been using this nude. I think I'm going to go with the dark this time. And this is from Knick Knack New York as well. So I think I'm going to go with this one. Thank you guys so much. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Give me any feedback, any tips, anything. I look forward to it. Thanks, guys.